Hello friends, has your sink siphon ever leaked or broken? In this tutorial we'll show you how to replace it yourself using only a Phillips screwdriver. Welcome to our channel, let's get started. First hold the siphon from the bottom with one hand, then unscrew the top screw. Gently separate the upper and lower metal parts. Be careful not to drop the lower part because it has dirty water inside. Empty the water into the drain and set the old siphon aside. Now let's prepare the new siphon. Take it out of the pack. Open the hose and remove the metal screw to separate the parts. In the metal part, there is a washer that must fit perfectly on the plastic circle. Insert the plastic washer into the wall drain opening and press firmly so it seals. Next, insert the end of the hose into the wall drain pipe. Fold the hose slightly so it forms the siphon shape and holds water inside. Place the washer in position and hold it aligned with the sink. From above, check the washer is centered. Then attach the metal part and tighten the screw until it is firm. Your new siphon is ready. We hope you enjoyed the sink repair tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.